Hey y'all, welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. Today we're making broccoli cheddar soup. This is a fast and easy recipe. It's cold outside, so it makes this creamy soup just hit the spot whenever you're needing something when it's cold and you need a fast dinner for your family. So I hope y'all try this broccoli cheddar soup recipe. This is what it's turning out to look like. So let's serve us up a bowl and see. Right here you're going to need black pepper, salt, garlic, minced garlic, a little flour, a shallot, cheddar cheese, broccoli, heavy whipping cream, 2 cans of chicken broth, a little butter, and I also added bacon bits and a green onion. So now let's put all these ingredients together and see what we come up with. We're using a cast iron Dutch oven. So right here, melt your 3 tablespoons of butter, then add your onion and shallot. Cook them down until they get a pretty color and translucent. Once you get them cooked down to the stage you want them, when they're a pretty light brown and turning a clear color, you'll go ahead then and add your flour to it. And this is 1/4 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or self-rising. Mix the flour in well. Once you get it mixed in, you want to let it cook about 1 to 2 minutes and cook out the floury taste so it won't taste like soup. So it won't have the floury taste in your soup. Then add you 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a little salt to taste, a little black pepper, around 1 teaspoon of paprika, mix all that in well. And then we're going to put our 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix that in well. Now add your 2 cans of chicken broth. Or if you can chicken broth, just use your 2 pint mason jars. And then we're going to go ahead and add our 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is what gives it the creamy taste along with the butter. And then mix all that in and let it come to a simmer. And once you get that to a simmer, I pre-cooked my broccoli. Just steamed it in the microwave. So then add your cooked broccoli. And doing it this way, it won't take you so long to cook your soup, because you already cooked and pre-cooked the broccoli so it's tender. Then go ahead and add your half a cup of cheese and let all that come to a good simmer. Mix in your cheese well. And let that come to a simmer. It's starting to thicken up right in this stage, sort of, right here. You gotta watch it though, you don't want it to scorch, because the cheese will make it scorch to the bottom fast, so you have to keep a close eye on it. Okay. Once it's getting almost done, I'm going to cut up those bigger chunks, because we don't like big chunks of broccoli in our soup. We like them little bitty bite-sized pieces. And if you're like us, just keep checking for those bigger florets. You don't want those in there. And I'm using my kitchen shears to chop them up with. About got all the bigger chunks out of there. Let's check and see. Now mix it up well, and then let it come to a simmer. And simmer it for around 5 to 10 minutes. And then at the end, I'm going to add me about 1/4 of a cup of bacon bits. Now the bacon gives your broccoli good taste, so I put it in there to give it a bacon flavor. Okay, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And once it's done simmering, it's time to serve you up a bowl of this broccoli cheddar soup. It's creamy and delicious. It turned out perfect. Hope y'all like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.